Do you constantly feel like you're losing track of your bills and subscriptions, wondering where your money is actually going every month? That was me before I started using Rocket Money. I felt overwhelmed, constantly forgetting about some obscure subscription or being caught off guard by a big recurring payment. I needed a clear, centralized view of my financial life, especially when it came to bills. After linking my bank accounts and credit cards, which was a quick and secure process, by the way, Rocket Money immediately got to work, and this is where it really shines for bill tracking. The first, and most crucial, way I track my bills is using the Recurring tab. This is my control center. Rocket Money's algorithm scans all my transactions and automatically finds those recurring charges. Subscriptions, utilities, insurance, loan payments, it lists them all in one place. I can switch between the upcoming view, which is fantastic for seeing what's due in the next couple of weeks. It's like a predictive calendar for my expenses. Or, I can look at the all list to see every single recurring bill I have. If I pay a bill outside of my linked accounts, like with a check, I can easily manually add it right there. It even lets me link transactions to manually added bills to keep everything consistent. The second key way is through real-time alerts. Before using the app, the only way I knew a bill was coming was when the money left my account. Now, Rocket Money proactively notifies me about upcoming charges. This has been a game changer for avoiding late fees or, worse, overdrafting my account because I forgot about a major payment. The third, and my personal favorite, method for tracking and actually managing my bills is the subscription management feature. This is where I find all those forgotten free trials or recurring charges that I don't use anymore. They are clearly flagged in the recurring list. If it's a subscription I don't want, I can click on it and either cancel it myself right from the app's instructions, or, if I'm a premium member, I can have their concierge service handle the cancellation for me, which saves a massive amount of time and hassle. Finally, while it's a premium feature, I have to mention the bill negotiation service. It's not tracking, but it's managing my bills. I uploaded my internet and cable bills, and their negotiators went to work to get me a better rate. They only charge a percentage of the savings if they are successful in lowering the bill, so it's a zero-risk way to ensure I'm not overpaying on those big monthly expenses. Ultimately, Rocket Money doesn't just track your bills, it centralizes, predicts, and empowers you to manage them efficiently. It changed bill tracking from a headache to a simple glance at one screen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.